made it this far, let's talk about the fourth and fifth thing you need to make money online. And this has something to do with you, what's inside of you, and how badly you want to change the path that you're on. You need to be coachable and you need to be consistent. And that means you're going to show up every single day and work your business. And you're going to learn new things and do what's working. Now, I want to break that down. Coachable to me means if you knew what I was doing was making me $20,000 a month, would you want to do the same thing? Heck yeah. Coachable means if you went to volleyball practice and your coach said, no, Jessica, you need to do this, this, and this. You'd be like, yes, ma'am. This, and this. Coachable means I have the exact steps to teach you exactly what you want. And if you follow these exact steps, you will get the results that you want. Do you want to change your life with social media? Yeah. If you could come into the Legacy Builder program and lock arms with other people making thousands of dollars online, would you do what they did so you could have that for your family? Yeah. Coachable means I'm not just going to go off on a little rabbit trail by myself. It means I'm going to listen to you because you're a leader, because you're a teacher, because you have done all the things that I don't know how to do, and you've got the results that I want for my family. So I'm just going to do that. Coachable means you can be teachable. You can learn new things. And if you're at the point in your life financially where you know there needs to be a change, then you're right there where you need to be. Consistent means I'm going to show up every day. I'm going to show up every day, and I'm not going to let anything stand in my way. To me, consistent means for me, when I started this, I was working a full-time job from home, and I had to be logged in and my light had to be green on my computer. I was also homeschooling my daughter, who was 11 at the time. I was her teacher, plus her mother, plus a wife to a husband that worked all day long in the sun sometimes, in the heat outside. Consistent, I always say the wrong word. Consistent means I had to show up even when I wanted to go to sleep. Consistent means I had to post videos on social media even when I didn't feel like it. Because if you're trying to make money online and you willy-nilly post, or you post once in a while, it doesn't work. Consistent means you're going to show up every day. Even if you only get one post up that day, the algorithm feeds. And believe it or not, people are watching you. They're waiting on you to fail. People watch people that change their path or start talking about something, or they're going to try to sell something, or maybe you want to go to nursing school. The weird thing about the human race is we like to watch people fail. It's awful. You have to show up because you have to prove them wrong. You have to show up every day and draw a line in the sand and not go past it. We play this game with my Sunday school class called In the Boat, Out of the Boat. They love it. You have two lines, or one big line. One side is in the boat, the other side is out of the boat. And whoever's leading it, usually me, is in the boat, out of the boat, in the boat, out of the boat. And you just over and over, and they have to jump over the line. And they get out of the boat, and they get in the boat, and out of the boat, and in the boat. I drew that line. And I don't know why I thought about that, but are you drawing that line? Are you spending too much time on your phone? Are you wondering how people are making money online? Maybe you're over 40 like me and think you're too old to make money online. But I know if you've made it to this video, you are not where you want to be financially, and you need a change in your life. That's all there is to it. Or you would never have watched this many of my videos. Consistent means there was a Zoom video tonight at 8, and it was my Bible study time, or maybe my son had a football game. I'm going to watch that video tomorrow on replay no matter what, because I need to know what's inside of it. It means I'm going to show up even if somebody I know is making fun of me. I'm going to push past that fear, because fear will keep you disabled. Fear will keep you unable to move any further. Consistent means I'm ready to be coachable. I'm ready to try new things, and I am going to show up every day, and I'm going to change my life. And if you're there and you're like, yes, I want to do it, then it's time. If you were here and you're watching people like me make money online, there is no reason why you can't. And I say it all the time, but not all digital marketing courses are created the same. And I know in my heart that the reason why there's so many people successful in the Legacy Builder program is because there is daily training where people actually listen to you and answer your questions. And that to me is so important. You need a product to sell. Legacy Builder gives you 4 products: a $100 program, a $300 program, a $600 program, and a $900 program. They become yours forever. A website that becomes yours forever for only $39, and then you can get an automated business that's free. The system that emails everything to make yourself have automation so you're not DMing or messaging your friends or asking people to buy your product is yours for free. We teach you how to be discoverable. We teach you how to grow every social media platform that's available to you right now and how to organically draw attraction. True attraction marketing starts with you. True attraction marketing is you at the base of that, because people will buy you. We teach you exactly what to say, how to say it, and when to say it. You need to be coachable and ready to learn new things. And if you're not ready, ask yourself where you're going to be in 6 months. Where will you be in 6 months? Will you still be having a screen time of 3 and 4 hours and not making one dime from social media? Because by the year 2027, the average person making money online, or the average amount of people making money online, is projected to be a $3 billion a day business. Why the heck aren't you starting now? And you need to be consistent. You got a job and went to work every day. I have a thing written in my notebook. 2 years ago, I committed to a pint of celery juice every day. It changed my life. I have Crohn's disease and I'm completely unmedicated at this point. And I had surgery every year for 4 years until I started celery juicing. And I haven't had surgery for almost 2 years. I committed to that juice. I said, I'm not doing it. And I've had it every day. Even when I travel, I buy it or take my juicer with me. I committed to my juicing. Have you ever committed to a weight loss regimen and you didn't have help? So you kind of fell off the wagon? Have you ever committed to walking on your lunch break, or quit smoking, or quit eating fast food? But when you're around other people that are doing the things you don't want to do, it's so easy to slip back into that. But when you're part of a community of over 50,000 people making money that pour into you every day, there's no excuse why you can't do it too. You got to be consistent and ready. And I know you're there because you've watched me for like an hour already. Click the start button, get your payment, pay that tiny little $39 website fee, and get immediate access to all 4 programs that are guaranteed to change your life.